Hello little learners. Have you done worksheet 1? Great job if you did. And if not, no worries. You can finish it after today's fun lesson. Are you ready for lesson 5? Today we're learning the short E sound with CVC words. Let's go.
N word family. A, N, N, N. H, N, hen, hen, hen. P, N, pen, pen, pen. T, N, ten, ten, ten. At word family. A, T, at, N, at, net, net. P, at pet, pet, pet. J, at jet, jet, jet. Egg word family. A, g, egg, egg. L, egg, leg, leg. P, egg, peg, peg. B, egg, bag, bag. Add word family. A, d, add, add. B, add, bed, bed. R, add, red, red. V, add, ved, ved.
Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll practice more short E sound words. See you soon.